Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Let us see how to remember the trigonometric table with help of palm trick. Take your left hand with palm facing your face. The little finger represents 0 degrees. The ring finger represents 30 degrees. The middle finger represents 45 degrees. The index finger represents 60 degrees. And the thumb represents 90 degrees. Let's start finding the sine values. Remember, the trick of formula is equal to under the root fingers below divided by 2. Let's see how to find the sine of 0. As per our formula, we need to find number of fingers below our reference finger. Below little finger, we don't have any fingers. So, under root 0 by 2, which is sine 0 is equal to 0. Let's see sine 30. Below ring finger, we have only one finger. So, we get under root 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Let's find sine 45. Now, below middle finger, we have two fingers. So, we get under root 2 by 2. If we rationalize this, we get 1 by root 2. So, sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Let's find sine 60. If you see below index finger, there are three fingers. So, as per our formula, we get root 3 by 2. So, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Let's find sine 90. Below thumb, you see four fingers. So, we get root 4 by 2, which is 2 by 2, which is 1. So, sine 90 is 1. Likewise for cos. The only difference is we are counting fingers above the reference finger. Formula will be under root fingers above divided by 2. For cos 0, the fingers above the little finger are 4. So, according to our formula, the value is under root 4 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So, cos 0 is 1. Let's find cos 30. The fingers above the ring finger are 3. So, according to our formula, the value is under root 3 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 2. So, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. For cos 45, the fingers above the middle finger are 2. So, according to our formula, the value is under root 2 by 2. If we rationalize this, we get 1 by root 2. So, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Let's find cos 60. The fingers above the index finger are 1. So, according to our formula, the value is under root 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. So, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Let's find cos 90. The fingers above thumb are 0. So, according to our formula, the value is under root 0 by 2. That is equal to 0. So, cos 90 is equal to 0. There is one more trick to remember the cos values, which is from sine values. Write the values of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree in reverse order and get the values of cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree and cos 90 degree respectively. In order to find the value of tan, just flip your hand. Again consider your little finger as 0 degrees, ring finger as 30 degrees, middle finger as 45 degrees, index finger as 60 degrees and the thumb as 90 degrees. Now the formula to find is the square root of fingers above by the square root of fingers below. Let's find tan 0. The fingers above little finger are 0 and below are 4. So the value is under root 0 by under root 4. which is 0. So tan 0 is 0. Let's find tan 30. The fingers above ring finger are 1 and below are 3. So the value is under root 1 by under root 3, which is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Let's find tan 45. The fingers above middle finger are 2 and below are 2. So the value is under root 2 by under root 2, which is 1. So tan 45 is 1. For tan 60, the fingers above index finger are 3 and below are 1. So the value is under root 3 by 1, which is root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. For tan 90, the fingers above thumb are 4 and below are 0. So the value is under root 4 by 0. We know if the denominator is 0, the fraction is not defined. So tan 90 is not defined. We can find the tan values by taking sine by cos values also. Now the cot values are found by taking inverse of tan values. So cot 0 is 1 by tan 0, which is undefined. Cot 30 is 1 by tan 30, which is root 3. Cot 45 is 1 by tan 45, which is 1. Cot 60 is 1 by tan 60, which is 1 by root 3. Cot 90 is 1 by tan 90, which is 0. There is one more trick to remember the cot values. Write the values of tan 0 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree and tan 90 degree in reverse order and get the values of cot 0 degree, cot 30 degree, cot 45 degree, cot 60 degree and cot 90 degree respectively. The secant values are found by taking inverse of cos values. So secant 0 is 1 by cos 0, which is 1. Secant 30 is 1 by cos 30, which is 2 by root 3. Secant 45 is 1 by cos 45, which is root 2. Secant 60 is 1 by cos 60, which is 2. Secant 90 is 1 by cos 90, which is not defined. The cosecant values are found by taking inverse of sine values. So cosecant 0 is 1 by sine 0, which is not defined. Cosecant 30 is 1 by sine 30, which is 2. Cosecant 45 is 1 by sine 45, which is root 2. Cosecant 60 is 1 by sine 60, which is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90 is 1 by sine 90, which is 1. There is one more trick to remember the cosecant values. Write the values of secant 0 degree, secant 30 degree, secant 45 degree, secant 60 degree and secant 90 degree in reverse order and get values of cosecant 0 degree, cosecant 30 degree, cosecant 45 degree, cosecant 60 degree and cosecant 90 degree respectively.
5 Mantra, the complete education.